A little nuthatch up there somewhere.
Yeah, it might have
There he
switched
is.
trees, I don't know. I don't see it on this side of
He
that.
keeps coming down. There's another one over
Another
yonder.
nuthatch?
Yep, there's another one over on that tree.
They seem to hang out in pairs.
Yeah.
The chickadees seem to be just in a large group. Almost anywhere you see them.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot of them around here.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a woodpecker.
Where's he gonna go? Come on, baby.
I think it's a female, right?
There she
Take your
is.
time now. That's right. Oh yeah. There we go.
What did the woodpecker take?
A peanut.
Okay.
I think it's probably relatively novel for them.
Mm.
I don't think there's been an exception. They've just gone. No, one took a
No,
walnut.
one
After
chickadee took
dropping
it.
a peanut.
Yeah.
Took part of a walnut, a small part.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Oh, he wants to get that stuff on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So, I think that was another peanut. I think I'll move away from where this stuff hit the ground. I think that's what the nuthatch was telling me.
Yeah, the nuthatch wants the stuff off the ground.
Yeah, exactly right. Because it came down near the trunk of the tree. There's the woodpecker in there. Is that the female or is that the male?
James, I can't see your hand any longer.
Okay, I'm trying to attract this bird.
Okay, we'll just put it over this way.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
There's a nuthatch up against that tree there, I think. You see it now?
Mm.
There we go. Took a peanut there.
Can't see your hand again.
I'm trying to see them. I can't. My
Okay.
back is hurting. I'm just trying to.
Oh, you're getting quite a crowd now.
Yeah, I see a woodpecker back there. I don't know if I see. I must have dropped one. It had a keen eye out there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty smart. Walnut that time.
Oh, good.
That's right in the black birch there.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Another walnut.
Oh, good.
There we go. Peanut.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it took a whole peanut there. Did you see how it
Mm-hmm.
moved its head around so it could get it on the thin end? It's pretty smart. Anyone who accuses birds of having bird brains doesn't have a clue.